Clearing cache on your Windows 11 PC doesn't take one step. Instead, it requires different steps throughout the system. This video helps you to find out all the possible methods to clear the Windows 11 temporary files. Number 1. Use Windows 11 cleanup recommendations. The Settings app on Windows 11 offers cleanup recommendations as an easy way to clean up temp files cached. You can boost your PC performance by removing temporary files. Number 2. Try disk cleanup. Disk cleanup represents a Windows built-in utility that allows you to clear up storage by removing unneeded temporary files. It is safe and easy to use on your device. Number 3. Clear Windows Store cache. If you get many of your apps and games from the Microsoft Store, you can clear its cache of temp files to improve performance. Number 4. Clear DNS cache. Domain name system or DNS points domain names to specific IP addresses. And flushing the DNS cache allows you to fix sites not loading in your browser due to too much IP address translation data. Number 5. Use run to clear DNS cache. Alternatively, you can use the run dialog to clear DNS cache quickly. Number 6. Manually delete temporary files from temp folder. If you suspect storage sense or disk cleanup are leaving temp cache files behind, you can manually delete temporary files on Windows 11. Number 7. Automatically clear temporary files with Storage Sense. Storage Sense represents a Windows feature, which automatically deletes the temporary files on your PC. You can configure the Storage Sense settings according to your requirements and necessities.